Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make banana sorbet the only way. To begin, you will need 3 ripe bananas. Peel and slice them into 1-inch pieces, then freeze them for at least 2 hours until they are completely solid. Also, prepare 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of water. These simple ingredients are all you need for a truly delightful and healthy frozen treat. Next, carefully transfer your frozen banana slices into a high-speed blender or a sturdy food processor. Add the 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and the 1 tablespoon of water. Start blending on a low setting, then gradually increase the speed. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of the container as needed to ensure everything blends evenly and smoothly. Continue blending until the mixture transforms from crumbly pieces into a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. The goal is a texture similar to soft-serve ice cream, not a thin smoothie. If the mixture seems too thick or struggles to blend, add a very small splash of water, about 1 teaspoon at a time, until it reaches perfection. Once your banana sorbet has reached that perfect, creamy consistency, it is ready to be enjoyed immediately. For the absolute best flavor and texture, serve it right away. You can even add a simple garnish like a few fresh berries or a sprinkle of shredded coconut if you like. This healthy, delicious, and incredibly simple frozen treat is truly a delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.